Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to update your Metamask wallet on your Android device, on Brave browser, Edge browser, Chrome browser, and Firefox browser. Okay, so let's jump straight in with Android. Okay, so on Android, there is two ways to do it. If you click on your Play Store, and then if you tap on Search, and then search Metamask, and you can see it right here. Now, currently it says open because I've already got it installed on my Android device. But if it needs updating, where it says open, it will say update. So you simply click on update and it will update in the background. That's how simple it is. Okay, now the second way to do it on Android is first step's the same. Tap on your Play Store, tap on your profile image, and now you can see here it says Manage Apps and Devices. So you tap on that, and now you can see here it will tell you how many apps you have that need updating. Now, it's a good idea to do this at least once a week because all of your apps need to be updated regularly. And many people turn off the auto update function so that they can save on data. And that means you could be missing out on very important updates. And many of those updates will be security related. So it's a good idea to do this on your mobile at least once a week. So now you just simply click on Update All. And you can see now that'll just update in the background. And if Metamask is one of those apps that needs updating, it will update at the same time. And that's it. That is how you update all of your apps, including Metamask, on Android. Now, to update your laptop browsers, let's start with Chrome. Okay, so here's my Chrome browser. Just in case my image is hiding anything in the corner, I'll just reduce the screen size quickly. So up here, you can just see the jigsaw puzzle piece. There we go. You can just see that is the Extensions tab. If you click on that, and you'll see about halfway down, there's Metamask. And you simply click on these three dots. And then click Manage Extension. And that will bring you to this page. And in the top right-hand corner, you can see Developer Mode. For you, it will be turned off. You simply click on it, and then you can turn it on. And then over here on the left-hand side, you can see Update. And if you look here, you can see the version that I'm currently running is 12.1.2. So have a look what yours is. And then once you know, you simply click Update. And Metamask will update. And if there is a new version available, you can see here it will change. And you can see mine has changed from 12.1.2 to 12.1.3. So now I have the latest version of Metamask on my Chrome browser. Okay, so now let's have a look at Brave browser. So again, straight away here, you can see the jigsaw puzzle piece. That's your extensions tab. You simply click on that, and you can see the three lines on the right-hand side. You click on that, click Manage Extension, and same thing on the top right-hand side, you can see development. So you turn that on, and now you can see here version 12.1.3. And you can see on the top left here, update. So you simply click update.
Da, ja sam smanjila brzinu na snimak, da ga snimam sa prevodom i da bi ljudi na mobitelu i na laptopu napravili se update.
Now on Edge browser. So same again on the Edge browser, you click on the extensions tab, which is that jigsaw puzzle piece. Click on these three dots on the right-hand side. Click Manage Extension, and you can see this is the on-off button for Metamask. Now there is a developer mode just here, but you'll see when you turn that on, there's no update function that comes available. All you do is simply click on this on-off button, and that will turn off Metamask. And if you look here, you can see the version is 11.16.14. You turn it off for a few seconds, turn it back on again, and it will automatically update. Now, I don't think there is a later version of Metamask for the Edge browser, because I've done this a few times, and I've Googled it, and this is what it shows as the latest version for Edge. But this is how you update it. Do this every now and again, and I'm sure at some point this will update. Especially taking into consideration the Polygon has gone through some enhancements and changes, Metamask will need to update for those particular reasons. And finally, how to update Metamask on Firefox. Again, click on this jigsaw puzzle piece. That's your extensions tab.
Ali jedno je jednostavno svako pitanje. Ako je bilo puta 2, puta 3, a nije proradilo, na šta da ljudi veruju? Ajde, već sad. Stvarno.
So you click on
Boomerang je
these
bila
three
jako lepa priča. Pa jako lepa priča.
Just here. Click Manage.
Hoću ti
And
reći
if
da
you
je...
look just down here, it'll show you the version you're currently running, which is 12.0.6. And then you can scroll back to the top and you can see here.
Okay.
This is the on-off button.
I to je u redu.
So you simply turn it off, leave it off for a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. And if there is a latest version, it will automatically update. So we can see currently it's still 12.0.6. So there isn't a newer version for Firefox right now. Okay, hopefully now you
Edukacija je
understand
super,
fully
u
how
redu je
to
to.
update
Svako će ga
your
uvući.
Metamask
Ja ti
wallet
kažem
on
da
your laptop,
da
on
edukaciju
all
treba
those
znati, ali ja ti
different
kažem
browsers,
naši ljudi.
and
Kaže,
on
na što da mu
your
verujem da može
Android
biti tako?
device. As I said at the beginning, these updates are very important
Znači,
because
nije
many
srećan
of the
čovjek koji
updates are not just functional, they are also security updates. So, hopefully that helps. As always, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you're watching me on TikTok, please like, follow, and share. And as always, thanks for watching, and have a great day.